Hey, everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code that many of you might have encountered, P0134 oxygen sensor no activity detected. This code typically points to an issue with the O2 sensor in your vehicle. But don't worry, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it step by step. Code P0134 indicates that exhaust oxygen sensor 1 on engine cylinder bank 1 is malfunctioning. This sensor monitors the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases. This information is used to achieve the highest power output with the least pollution. A faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors. Exhaust system leaks near the sensor, a PCM powertrain control module issue, though this is rare. You may experience poor fuel economy, rough idling, decreased engine performance, and an illuminated check engine light. MAF sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around the wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the map sensor cleaner onto the wire, perpendicular to the ground, so that it won't damage the map sensor. Reinstall the map sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After replacing the sensor, clear the code with your OBD scanner. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. If the code doesn't reappear, you've successfully fixed the issue. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to fixing the P0134 code. Remember, if the problem persists, it could be a deeper issue, like a bad ECU or exhaust leak, so consult a professional. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other car issues you'd like me to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.